Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn science in just one day. Begin by identifying the most crucial topics within your chosen science field. Focus on understanding fundamental principles rather than memorizing every detail. Allocate your time wisely, perhaps dedicating 25% to foundational concepts and 75% to specific areas you need to grasp quickly. This targeted approach ensures you cover essential ground effectively. To truly absorb information, engage in active recall. After reading a section, close your book and try to summarize it in your own words. Teaching the material to an imaginary student or a friend can also highlight gaps in your knowledge. Don't just read. Apply what you learn by working through example problems. This hands-on approach reinforces concepts far more effectively than passive reading alone. Choose your learning materials wisely. Instead of juggling multiple sources, pick one comprehensive textbook or a well-structured online course. Supplement this with short, targeted educational videos, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes each, to explain challenging concepts visually. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing definitions and formulas, allowing for rapid review throughout your day. Efficient resource use is key. Conclude your day with a comprehensive review of everything you've covered. Take a brief self-assessment quiz to pinpoint any remaining weak areas. Don't be discouraged by what you don't know. Focus on reinforcing those specific points. Remember, consistent effort, even for a single day, can yield significant results. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your learning environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.